Where Oh Where is a 32 count, 4-wall, improver level line dance choreographed by Jo Thompson Szymanski. You start by stepping the right to the side. As you take the right to the side, you drag the left in. So you're stepping side, then you take the left behind, ball cross, step the right to the side, then a sailor step, and a kick ball step. So to recap that first section, taking the right out to the side, ready, and side, behind, ball cross, side, sailor step, kick ball step. From here, cross right over left, step the left to the side, make a sailor quarter turn, you're now facing 3 o'clock, weights in the right. We're going to walk round 3/4, 4 steps, leading with your left, right. You're now facing 12 o'clock. Let's put the two sections together. Out to the right, ready, and side, behind, ball cross, side, sailor step, kick ball step, cross, side, sailor quarter turn, walk left, right. From here, you're going to side rocks. We've got a left, rock, and right, rock. Then 2 kicks, leading with the right, kick, and step forward on the right, make a quarter pivot onto the left to face 9 o'clock. So that section, starting with your left rock, ready, and left, rock, and right, rock, kick, and step, quarter pivot. Let's take it from the top. Out to the right, ready, and side, behind, ball cross, side, sailor step, kick ball step, cross, side, sailor quarter turn, walk left, right, side, rock, kick, and step, quarter pivot. For your last section, I'm just going to show you facing 12 o'clock so you can see. And we have like a weave with a jazz with a cross on the end. You've got different timing in your weave. So, your weave would be cross, side, behind, side. So we're using that footwork but with different timings. So you're stepping cross, hold, and behind, hold, and then into your jazz with a cross, back, side, cross. So do that for you again. Cross, hold, and behind, hold, and cross, back, side, cross. As you do your jazz with a cross, you can do a shimmy at the same time. So from wall 1, you'll be doing that little section facing 9 o'clock. So let's try facing that way. 5, 6, 7, and cross, hold, and behind, hold, and cross, back, side, cross. Now let's take it from the top. Facing 12, going out to the right, 5, 6, 7, and side, behind, ball cross, side, sailor step, kick ball step, cross, side, sailor quarter turn, walk left, right into your rocks, left, rock, and right, rock, kick, and step, quarter, cross, hold, and behind, hold, and cross, back, side, cross. Now the routine with the counts. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's practice wall 2, facing 9 o'clock. Going out to the right, 5, 6, 7, and side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor step, kick, ball, step, cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, walk, left, right, to your rocks, left, rock and right, rock, kick and step, quarter, cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, back, side, cross. Now let's do all three, facing 6 o'clock, going out to the right to start, 5, 6, 7, and side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor step, kick, ball, step, cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, walk, left, right, left, rock and right, rock, kick and step, quarter pivot, cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, back, side, cross. Now for wall 4, facing 3 o'clock. Going out to the right, 5, 6, 7, and side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor step, kick, ball, step, cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, walk, left, right, left, rock and right, rock, kick and step, quarter, cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, back, side, cross. Now practicing linking the end with the beginning. You're finishing with a jazz with a cross, leading with the right, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, ball, cross, side. So it flows really nicely from that jazz with a cross out into your side step. Now let's practice doing the full circuit. 5, 6, 7, and side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor step, kick, ball, step, cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, walking left, right, left, rock and right, rock, kick and step, quarter pivot, cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, back, side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor step, kick, ball, step, cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, walk, left, right, left, rock and right, rock, kick and step, quarter pivot, cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, back, side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor step, kick, ball, step, cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, walk, left, rock and right, rock, kick and step, quarter, cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, back, side, behind, ball, cross, side, sailor step, kick, ball, step, cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, walk, left, rock and right, rock, kick and step, quarter pivot, cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, back, side, cross. Well done. The choreographer makes some suggestions of variations on the step sheet and also gives you carte blanche for putting in your own variations if you like. It's just something which is music to our ears, isn't it? So one of the variations suggested on the second section, when you walk round those 4 walks, you could double the timing and make volta steps instead. So instead of cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, walk left, right, you could do cross, side, sailor, quarter turn, ball, step, then into your side rocks. So that's one suggestion. Another suggested variation comes in the last section. So instead of doing your cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, back, side, cross, the suggestion instead of the jazz with the cross is that you could dance cross, hold and behind, hold and cross, bounce. Then you start again, taking the right out to side, behind, ball, cross. Okay, so you can do those heel bounces round, unwinding instead if you want to. Another suggestion, instead of the jazz box, cross, hold and behind, hold and touch and cross, and then you go out to the side to start again. Let's dance Where Oh Where with the music. hold and cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, cross, side, sailor, step, kick, step, cross, side, sailor, forward, walk, left, right, left, right, drop, kick and step, forward, cross, hold behind, hold and cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, cross, side, sailor, step, kick, step, cross, side, sailor, forward, left, right, drop, right, drop, kick and step, forward, cross, hold behind, hold and cross, back, side,
I went
side,
up to
behind,
Alaska,
cross, side,
as far as I can go. My baby ain't there. She hates the snow. Oh, where, did my baby go? Yeah, I went to New York City, down to town. Asked for my next baby, she was around. Oh, where, did my baby go? Is she there? Have you seen her anywhere? Oh, where did my baby go?
Well done.